Hello. In this video, I want to go over this amazing wallpaper. When you load it up, you will see that you have this regular size Rubik's Cube 3 by 3 by 3 that you can start to solve. Double clicking anywhere on the screen will start the game. So I double click it, and the very first thing that happens is that it automatically shuffles the cube, but the timer doesn't start until you start moving and turning any of the sides. By holding down the mouse button and dragging on the screen, you can view the cube at all angles and all sides at any time. And when you're ready, you can start turning any of the sides. And when that starts, the timer starts. And that is how you will try to solve the cube. At any moment, you can pause this process by clicking on the arrow on the bottom left corner. This will stop everything. Maybe you want to do something else in the meantime, and it will also give you access to the settings. On the bottom right corner, you see this icon. Clicking on that, you have access to the settings. The very first thing is the cube size. You can change the cube size to whatever from 2 by 2 by 2 to 5 by 5 by 5. Let's change that to the larger size. And the scramble length is the number of times at the very beginning of the game that it will try to scrambling it and shuffles it around. Let's change that to 40. Everything else is pretty much self-explanatory and you can play around with them. Clicking back on the arrow again, I get back to the game. Now you can have this much more difficult cube to solve. Let's see how it works. Double clicking starts it off. And as soon as the shuffling is down, you would be able to view it at all sides and try to solve it. One other thing that I want to show you is, let's pause this, go back to the settings. When you're in the settings, the icon on the bottom right corner changes to a palette. Clicking on that, now you can actually change all of the coloring scheme on anything, both on the labels and even the kind of a plastic side of the cube. I'll show you very quickly both of them. Let's click on the white one, and all of the white labels, you can change it to change them to any other color that you like, whatever that you would find better. And clicking on these black sides, the kind of a plasticky black sides, you can make changes to that color as well, to whatever that you like. Let's change it like this to that. So now when I go back and go back to the game again, now this is the cube. Double tap will either start the game or restart it if you have already started off, and you can play around with that. I really like this wallpaper. It's a free wallpaper and it works with Wallpaper Engine. All relevant information and links are down below in the description. Enjoy.